very, very weird to be playing this song right now. Because I haven't told anybody this, but we just bought a farm in Fayston, Vermont. And we're, you know, everybody's moving to Vermont. Don't do it, don't do it. There's too many of us anyways. And we have bad internet, trust me. But I'm getting a little bit emotional playing this song right now because we just hiked up that mountain the other day, and that's my husband, Eric, doing the guitar tech in the back. I don't even know, I'm gonna like cry, I'm gonna cry. All right, anyways, you just got the big scoop. Don't tell anybody. Oh, and I'm never coming down from the mountain. Never will I forget about today. And I always smile when I think about it. This life is a crazy parade.